Hi guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to auto import SHAREit videos into iPhone Gallery so you can easily get all your shared videos without any hassle. Now let's get started. Step 1. Install the SHAREit app on your iPhone. You can find it on the App Store, and installing it allows you to transfer files between devices smoothly. This is the first essential step to get everything set up. Step 2. Tap on Me at the bottom of the SHAREit app, then tap on the gear icon to open the app settings on your iPhone. This section controls how SHAREit works and what permissions it has, making it important for proper file transfer. Step 3. Enable all necessary options, especially the Auto Import Videos feature. This setting allows videos shared from another device to automatically appear in your iPhone gallery without needing any extra steps. Step 4. Go back to SHAREit and share videos from your Android device to your iPhone. This ensures the videos start transferring, and having the app open properly with settings enabled makes the process smooth and error-free. Step 5. Check your iPhone gallery. All the videos shared from your Android device will appear automatically without clicking any import button, giving you instant access to your files in one place. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.